my body aching, I feel like I'm breaking, and I know it all too well. Got another new day, still I'm feeling misplaced.
Hi everyone, Tania TSN here. Today I'm just gonna do a simple video just to review a product that I wouldn't be usually able to review just because it's a dry shampoo and I don't think I can review it on curly hair. So since I have my hair straightened, I'm gonna try and review it right now. So what this says is actually to shake it before use and to spray it on your roots for about, I think it was like 20 centimeters away from your head. I'm just gonna try to put it everywhere where also my head is kind of like a little bit itchy, because it's been about a week and a half that my hair is straightened, and of course I can't wash them with water because of course my hair will revert back directly to curls. So I'm just gonna try this out, and honestly the spray did a little bit, like it really refreshed my hair and my roots, but really I didn't see anything happening as far as the effect on my hair. After that I just took a simple comb and just comb it out, because this is what they say you have to do, or like a little bit of massaging just to make sure it cleans your roots. But honestly it didn't feel like it was cleaning my head too much. The only thing that I would say I did notice is just that my head and my scalp felt really fresh. So I don't know if any dirt got out of the way from my hair or anything like that, but it definitely made my roots and my scalp feel way more fresh. Have you ever tried any dry shampoo or stuff like that, or even dry shampoo for curly hair? Make sure to mention down below if you did, and I hope you enjoyed that video. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Hey everyone, so this is just a quick update on my website. I did it again all from scratch, so I just wanted to show you a little bit what you can find on there. You can find some blog posts. Most of my videos are actually also in a blog post where you can find over here on my website, but you can also find my shop on my website where you can actually shop all my Natural Me items as well as my handmade items from the Tania TSN African fabric line, where you can find edge band, puffy bands, and queen caps. Don't hesitate to go check it out, and I hope that you will like it.